Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on open traverse correction using ESurvey. An open traverse is a traverse where the ending point does not coincide with the starting point. Methods available for open traverse correction. Open traverse correction in ESurvey can be performed using the following two methods. 1. Bowditch method. 2. Transit method. Procedure to compute open traverse. Bowditch method. 1. Open the ESurvey Traverse Correction application. 2. Navigate to the Open Traverse menu. 3. Select the Bowditch method. Import known GPS control points. Import GPS known points using the prescribed Excel format. Station name X coordinate, Y coordinates, scale factor. Click Import and select the saved .xlsx file. Click on Compute. Go to the Traverse Computation tab. Import the survey observation data by clicking the Import button. Select the save.xlsx file. Click the Adjust button. The software automatically performs all calculations, applies traverse corrections, displays corrected alignment drawings. Click the Export button to export. Complete calculation results, adjustment details, coordinate outputs to Excel. Click on the Drawing Save button to export the drawing. Existing and corrected coordinate points are exported. Transit method. To compute the open traverse using the transit method, follow the same procedure. Import data, compute, adjust, export results. In the next video, you will learn how to perform closed traverse correction using ESurvey. If you are working in the infrastructure industry, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We regularly add informative videos about infrastructure design and engineering solutions. Road InfraSuite and Water InfraSuite are very popular software solutions for infrastructure engineering. You can also book a free demonstration of the software by visiting www.esurveying.net. You may reach us through email at info@esurveying.net. You can call us on 9449599709. Thank you for watching this video.